we hit 500 faster than I thought we would. It's been less than 12 hours since I put that video up. I thought it might take a day or two before we get 500. But last time I checked, we was around 510, so that's pretty good. So I guess you guys are wanting to see this. This is the other side of the tree, and as you can see, it's in terrible condition. It's close to some power lines here on our property, and it's just really got to be unsafe to be around. It's still having a foliage every year, so it's still alive, but as you can see from the signs of this, its days are numbered. It's time to get it before it's all gone. And as far as what species of tree this is, for you guys that guessed Buckeye, you got it right. I think the first comment that I saw in the video was Buckeye. Several of you guys got that right, so that's what it is. It's pretty common here in Tennessee. We have a lot of Buckeye trees, but this is one of the largest ones I've seen. I think it's around, on my last measurement, it's about 22 inches at the diameter at the breast height. That's pretty good size for a Buckeye. And that's a soft wood. It's classified as a hardwood, but it's pretty soft. I've never had any on the Sawmill. That's just based on my research. And a good use for Buckeye lumber, or slabs rather, I'm going to be slabbing these all live edges to get the maximum width out of them. But a good use of them is for chair seats for Windsor chair makers. I think I've mentioned him on his channel various times, Curtis Buchanan, who makes Windsor chairs about 20 minutes from here. He's one of the best chair makers in the world. If you guys are interested in his videos, he's got a YouTube channel where he shows the entire process on how he takes just raw timber and turns it right into a Windsor chair. It's really amazing to watch him do that. So that's what we got here. We got some Buckeye timber, and come next week, we're going to take it down. All right, two more things here before we go. This is just kind of a short video telling you guys what kind of tree that was. And I appreciate the support you give me on this channel here lately, and those lights really do give me a little bit of motivation to get some of this work done I've got going on here, so appreciate that. So stay tuned here toward the end of the video. I'm going to give you guys a little preview of what I've got going on next week over where the sawmill's at. I'm going to be sawing up some real nice timber over there next week. And I'll be taking these video cameras as usual and filming the whole process of sawing that timber. And the other thing is, I made no progress on the kiln today on putting the siding on. I had some customers come by. We've been out here inside the kiln looking at slabs all day. So I didn't get anything done on that part. So we'll come back in a few days when I have time to do more of this siding. Kind of update you guys on how that's going. But another thing I'm going to try to do, and I'll try to video this tomorrow, it depends on the weather, is I've got a brand new tool here at the sawmill. And it's not no kind of log arch or nothing like that. It's a smaller tool. But it's really going to help me here in the business. And I think it will be really interesting to you guys out there that are in this business or are thinking about going into it. So I'll try to get that done tomorrow. Like I said, if the weather's good, we'll do it. If not, sometime next week. I kind of have to do it outdoors right now due to all the dust. But it's a pretty interesting tool. I got it last December, and I finally got around today to using it for the first time. And I wish I started using it a month ago. So that will be more geared toward the business part of sawmilling. And I might start a whole series just on the business of sawmilling when you're in operation like I am. I'm not asking for 500 likes again, but if you want to give me 500, I sure take it. It helps get these videos out and get them circulated a little bit better, and helps this channel grow. We're up to 6,000 subscribers now, and yesterday, I didn't even realize it, but that was video number 200 since I've started this channel just over 2 years ago. So that was 200 yesterday, so now we're at 201. But anyways, guys, stay tuned for the video preview at the end, and we'll see you back here in a few days, hopefully tomorrow.
Days in the call that didn't come through. Cold air in the love.
This is what we got going first of the week on Monday. Some nice big white oak. This thing is ridiculous. We had a hard time even getting this thing to the sawmill. 10 feet long, and I think about 32 inches diameter, which is the max diameter for the wood-mizer. This one should be a whole lot of fun. And after we get this sawed up Monday, I'm going to be moving the sawmill about 30 yards that way, and the reason being I'm downwind and the sawdust on a windy day just gets blown right in my face, and I'm kind of aggravated with it. After we get this sawed up on Monday, we'll put the sawmill about 30 yards to my right. And I got some nice black walnut ready to be sawed up, and if you guys watched this channel for a while, you'll remember that black walnut getting sawed down a few months ago. So come Monday, some nice big white oak and some more black walnut. So thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoy this video, hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed, you might as well. Got some good stuff coming this year, like I've been saying in all these videos, just getting better every day. So see you guys first of the week.
And the new man falls for you, so I'll fight it when you think you might love him too.